Radiocom here, playing another Demolition.
Let's go! Let's go!
The map is called Safe House. And to win in Safe House, again, it's all about repetition. Shoot the window. Look for a SWAT. Plant the bomb.
Nothing here.
Where are they?
Checking the backyard. Watch the friendly fire. Terrorists win.
Well, that didn't quite go the way I wanted the first round. With them all coming at you at the same time. Let's climb the ladder, shoot the window, see if anyone comes up the stairs.
I need help. I'm setting the bomb.
If I see somebody.
Terrorists win.
I got lucky there. They all came up the same way. Got 4 kills. I'll take it. Alright,
Come on,
again.
come on, let's go.
Same way, up the ladder. Shoot the window. Anyone coming up the stairs?
3 guys left. Could use some help over here. Planning.
That didn't work out so well.
Has been planted.
Where are they? Hello, there's 3 left. There's 1.
2 guys left.
There's 2. There's 3. Alright. So the main objective is to plant the bomb and try to kill as many as you can without dying. But if you die, that's alright. Main objective is still to win the round. Anyone coming up? No.
Did you hear that?
Anyone on the roof? No.
I need help. I'm planting the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Not fast enough.
Only 2 guys left. Terrorists win.
Gotta be fast. I may have gotten killed, but still got a lot of kills. Alright, let's try this again. I'm getting killed a lot tonight.
Go, go, go.
Up the ladder. Window. Check the stairs.
Could use some help.
Check the roof.
That makes 2 left. Good plan.
Plant the bomb.
We got 1 guy that's trying to stop us.
Where is he? Hello. Whoops, sorry. A little too fast there. No, I don't see them. Oh, there he is. Alright. You can get out before I get blown up.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's good. We're 5-0, so we're doing good. Anyone up the stairs? There's one. 2.
One guy.
Alright, let's go plant the bomb.
Gonna plant.
Terrorists win. Bomb has been planted.
Oh, a little late.
Right there.
That's alright. Let's do it again.
Let's go. Let's go.
Same thing, up the ladder. Shoot the window.
I need help.
Check the stairs.
Use help over here.
Check the roof. Plant the bomb.
Bomb has been planted.
Whoops, somebody's there.
Three to go.
Come on.
They're down to 2.
I don't see them.
I could use some help over here.
Gotta go.
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Terrorists win.
Still don't know what that is. Alright,
Let's get in and get out.
7 rounds. Good. Let's do it again. Up the ladder. Shoot the window.
I need help. Could use some help over here.
Don't see anybody.
One guy left.
Plant the bomb.
Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
Well, I missed him, but someone else got him. Alright. I'll take it.
Let's go.
Okay, again. Up the ladder. Shoot the window.
That makes 3 left.
Anyone else there? No.
2 guys left.
Alright.
I'm setting the
Plant the bomb.
Bomb has been planted.
help.
They can come in so many directions. You gotta be really careful.
Only 1 left.
Whoops, alright. Little trigger happy there.
Terrorists win.
There we go. Whee!
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright. Let's keep it going. Same routine. Up the ladder. Shoot the window. Anyone coming up the stairs? Nope. Anyone there? Alright. Where are they? Well, I missed him. That's alright. 10-0, I'll take it. Not as many kills, but I'm still leading. That's good. Alright. Now on the SWAT, if you play SWAT, first thing you do is you go in through the door, up the stairs, and get them coming in through the window.
Check it back, y'all. That's how you do it. That makes one left.
Now I'm going to sit here and wait for a minute. I hear somebody.
Counter-terrorists win.
There we go. Well, that's the way to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.